I got a 2006 anyway from 05 to 2000 H3 Hummer. I took the radio out already. If you would like to get a link, I will link it down below how to remove the radio. I'm here. I got the radio removed. So basically I got this Android that I'm working on right here. This is an Android screen. I'm going to just flip it over and make sure there's nothing on the bottom that's sharp that can damage. Something easy first. Yeah, right. See this right there? This I'm gonna remove this and put it over here basically. And this you got 7mm. Take the 7mm right here, all 4 of these, and these take them all out. Let's start with the and then just take it and pick it up and put it like that. And then you're gonna have to put something on top of this right there so you can lift it, or start with like the same on 932nd or 916. Yeah, 916 is the same, so you can do that. It's a lot much easier. So now I'm gonna go to this part right there. Just take the 2 out. I mean there's 3 of them. 1, 2, and 3. Now if you're looking at it, you got all these wires right there. You got the GPS gonna go right here. You can pre-plug it now just by rotating it in. I guess I'm used to one hand holding the camera. And now you got this. You gotta have to do it differently. You gotta run one of this red wire to radio, but I'm gonna show you how to find that wire. I'm not gonna do illumination. It's too much to do illumination. Now you're gonna have to plug this thing in right here. Okay, see right here, this is a jacks, RCA jack that consists of, make sure there's nothing on the bottom. You don't want to press and pry it. And then you got to use this. This is for RX, which means Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You're going to have to hook it up if you don't do the camera. If you do the camera, we had the cameras already run to the factory, an aftermarket already on this one. This one we're going to have to run. See right there. But it's not that easy as you just said, you know. You push that out until you get this inner side out. I'm gonna try a little flathead. I can make it look easy, but it's not easy. Oh, I got it. See, you got to push it harder once you got that 2 clip out right here. See, it just come out, but I think there you go. Well, not really. I think I broke the lock on that, but in my case I can glue it. It's supposed to be locked up right there, but it didn't. And whoever did this before, they must have broke it too. They use all kinds of zip ties. It's a good idea, smart. I don't have to do that because I have the right tool. I got a solder right there. Take it out. All right, let me pause it. All right, so basically right here, I'm gonna use I got this already, 6. That's what I'm talking about. This is oscillating tool. What you do, you come up here and go like this. See? So don't cut anything out. And I'm going to try to figure out how I'm going to get this back in here. Right there without. They should come with some screw. Later and see if it works, and then I'll put a screw in I guess this is how you do it. I mean, I had to figure it out. It should be in there like that. And then we're gonna plug everything, take it inside and plug everything and see if it works. Alrighty. So we're here back in the car. It's cold today for I think today is the 20th, Monday, April 2026. Get me a plug. So basically we got like so right there, we got the red from the RCA jack to the back. It's already plugged to the reverse wire. I'll tell you the color and where to get it at. And actually you get it from the reverse, where when you turn reverse, that white light coming on, that's where there's two wire. One is black and the other one, I can't remember, I think it's brown or pink. Not so sure, but I'm a plug, see my radio works. So I just plugged it, turn it on, it does come on. Let me see if it's got sound, because there's that wire was kind of not familiar to me. Give it a couple seconds. Now it's on, it's 12 volt TV is loading. Take a second. Wow, this is nice. Let's play the radio, see if it's got sound. There you go, we got sound. Let me see if all the speaker work, because I don't know how they installed it earlier.